Welcome everybody back to the channel. Here's another day in the life of a Fox Body owner, family guy. Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy little video, something I really need. As you know, the convertible Foxes do not have a lot of trunk space, and I've jacked the car up. It's now four-wheel drive. Just kidding, it's on jack stands because I'm fixing to do something that I need. Most of you won't need it. Hatchback guys, if you're just taking two people on vacation, you're good to go. But as you've seen with my vacation videos, one suitcase, couple backpacks, that's all we've been able to pack. So I'm going to put a hitch on my car. Back in the 80s, I remember seeing these things. I remember seeing a Saline, no lie, in Florida, a Saline, might have been fake, I don't know, I wasn't real big on them back then, but in the 90s, it was pulling two jet skis. I've seen pictures of them on Facebook pulling jet skis. I've seen one coming out off a boat ramp pulling a boat. My hitch is going to be hooked to my bumper mounts on the back, not a whole lot of it bolted to the frame. So I'm just going to do a little platform, you know what I'm talking about. I haven't bought the platform yet, but I've got the hitch made. It's going to be custom. Show it to you right here. You mount straight to the bumper mounts where your compression zones are. Got two holes here, two holes over here. I pop those out of the bumper mounts. You mount this. This is 2.5 by 2.5 angle iron with a 2.5 by 2.5 receiver. I got a brand new one, but it's going to do just like that. On this side, you can see what it's like. Here we go. That's what it's going to look like. That'll be mounted to the bumper. The bumper, it fits right in between there, nice and snug in the gas tank. And that's what I'm going to have. I've got it where this bottom piece comes out of here. You can slip right out. What that does, that allows me to hide it. I can keep this part, the long angle iron part, under the car and on vacation. And then whenever I get somewhere, if I don't want people to see my Reese hitch, I just pop the bottom half out. Got a whole nother, you know, a whole nother bolt hole there, so I can do that. All right, here I am laying under the car. See the two, that's my two compression bumper mounts. There's both bolts. You can see the hitch is facing straight down. There's the other two. All I'm doing is just tightening these up. Put these washers on here, some lock washers, and that's pretty much it. Pretty simple deal, just had to measure it out. My bumper mount from the outside of that bumper mount right there to the other side, 46 1/8. That hole was 3/4 to the center. That one was 3 3/8 from the edge of the end. Both sides same thing, drilled 1/2 inch holes in it. Putting a little bit longer bolt in it because your factory bolts that come out of these holes will not work, so these are 1/2 inch longer. And then I put the washers and lock washers on there just to hold it tight, and that's it, man. It's pretty simple deal. Just welded my hitch straight down. Here it is with the hitch installed. You can't see it. That was my purpose. If you'll look, right there it is. But when you're behind the car, you're never gonna see that. It is the exact same height as my bumper, I'm pretty sure. My bumper ends up being, back bumper is almost 15 1/2 off the ground. The hitch itself is 15 1/2 inches off the ground. So that's what it looks like. What do you think, guys? The ball, should I go with three-way? Three-way would be more redneck looking. I am down here in southern North Carolina, so yeah, let's try the three-way real quick. Pull that one out. That there ain't been sanded. Yeah, I got to do a little bit of sanding. There you go. Big old three-way hanging out the back of the Fox. That is horrible. I love it. Anyway, that's my nature. Now I ain't gonna be riding around with that junk on there. I promise you. Only the probably the platform. Doubt I ever pull a trailer. Peace out, guys. Appreciate all the subs, all the comments. Just a average family guy living with a Fox body, trying to share what I do with mine to make it and make me happy. God bless all of you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.